Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel. YouTube is an incredible platform that allows people to express themselves, share their passions, and connect with others from all over the world. Whether you want to become a content creator or simply share your knowledge and expertise, this tutorial will guide you through the steps of creating a successful YouTube channel. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step to creating a YouTube channel is choosing your niche. Your niche is essentially what your channel will be about. This can be anything from makeup tutorials to cooking videos to gaming channels. Choosing a niche will help you create a clear direction for your content and make it easier for your audience to find your videos. Step 2. Create your channel. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create your YouTube channel. To do this, simply go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Once you're signed in, click on the Create a Channel button in the top right corner. Step 3. Customize your channel. Now that you've created your channel, it's time to customize it. Start by adding a profile picture and cover photo that represent your brand or niche. You should also write a description of your channel that tells viewers what they can expect to see on your channel. This is also a good time to create a trailer video that introduces your channel to new viewers. Step 4. Plan your content. Before you start creating videos, it's important to plan your content. Decide on the format and frequency of your videos, as well as the topics you'll cover. Creating a content calendar can help you stay organized and consistent with your uploads. Step 5. Create your videos. Now it's time to create your videos. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. A smartphone and a basic video editing program are all you need. When creating your videos, make sure you have good lighting and sound quality, and that your content is engaging and informative. Step 6. Optimize your videos. Once you've created your videos, it's important to optimize them for YouTube. This includes writing compelling titles and descriptions, adding tags and keywords, and creating eye-catching thumbnails. These elements will help your videos show up in YouTube search results and attract more viewers. Step 7. Promote your channel. Now that your videos are uploaded and optimized, it's time to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche, and engage with your audience. The more you promote your channel, the more subscribers and views you'll get. Step 8. Monetize your channel. Finally, once you've built up a following on your channel, you can start monetizing your content. This includes enabling ads on your videos, working with brand sponsors, and selling merchandise. Monetizing your channel can help you earn income from your content and turn your channel into a full-time job. Conclusion. Creating a YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. By choosing your niche, creating engaging content, and promoting your channel, you can build a loyal following and turn your channel into a successful business. Good luck on your YouTube journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos.